Hi, welcome to Julio's Bar. Today we're gonna mix an Irish Maggie. So St. Patrick's Day is gonna be really soon and I already prepared a really Irish video just for that occasion. But then March Hair Poitín posted on the Instagram page this Irish Maggie recipe and I was like, it's just like a margarita but with poutine. I was like, let me try it. I tried it, I tweaked it slightly to my taste and today I'm gonna propose it to you. So let's get down to mixing. So first of all we're gonna start with the bitters that were not in the original recipe, but I found with a tiny bit of bitters everything is better, and we're gonna start from the saline solution. And I'm gonna put 2 drops of saline, 3 drops of saline solution. It's 4 parts water, 1 part salt. And I do that because I'm not gonna cover the edge of our glass with salt because I found that to be excessive. That's really making it like a margarita. By using just the drops of saline solution, we are gonna stay light on the salt. It's gonna just be a feeling that's floating there. And then we go on with our bitters, which is gonna be 1 dash of orange bitters and 1 dash of cardamom bitters. And yeah, I just found this combination to be pretty nice, but be free to experiment with the bitters you like best. And then we go on with 7.5 milliliters of agave syrup, a classic when it comes to margarita. Tiny bit more, like that. And then of course lime juice, and we are going to need 30 milliliters of lime juice. Then 15 milliliters of dry curacao. Lately I've been calling this dry curacao. Really Italian, but it's curacao, I think. The correct pronunciation. 15 milliliters of Pierre Ferrand, our favorite. And we finish with the poutine. This unaged spirit from Ireland. It's pretty much a non-aged single malt, I think, if I remember correctly. Triple distilled like most of Irish whiskey, 40% ABV. As I said before, I really appreciate this mid-March ale. When I visited Dublin, they had a lot of poutine. Different kinds, different tastes, but it's not the common spirit outside Ireland. These guys at Mid-March Ale, they got a good export going, so I think it's available pretty widely worldwide. Let's get some ice for our shaker. And let's give this bad boy a shake. I had a moment of where I felt like I was gonna hit my ear with the shaker, but I survived. Let's double strain in our chilled cool. And there you go, an Irish Maggie, slightly tweaked to my own taste. Cheers. It's really nice. This is a cocktail that's smoother than a margarita. It's less edgy. The poutine gives this slightly sweet feeling to the whole thing. It doesn't have the smokiness or earthiness of tequila, but it's more fruity, floral. And I think that by adding some bitters we do a good thing. Otherwise the cocktail will feel just a bit plain. Again, you can experiment with the bitters you want. I thought about using just the normal margarita bitter from default, but that also felt kinda lazy. I already did that before. I really like these cardamom bitters I made myself a few weeks ago. orange bitters from Scrappy. It's always an assurance to give some bitterness and some deep orange flavor. It's a good cocktail, nice sipper. It's a nice variation from Margarita. The saline solution gives it an interesting, almost like umami. It makes it more meaty and less sweet. Kinda interesting. This goes down really fast. As I said, I'm gonna have one more St. Patrick Day video coming up soon. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, share with anybody you like and don't like. Shake yourself an Irish steam cocktail, and hopefully I will see you next time. Cheers. It almost tastes like a sorbet. Anyway, about Maggie, you know the clip of the song that's the title track for this very channel? That comes from the second song of my demo from Psyche called Maggie. I recorded this demo in the late 90s. I was a drummer and overall composer, and with the help of a few friends we recorded this demo on an 8-track analog tape which had a whole bunch of problems. And you can listen to this for free. The website I'm gonna link somewhere here. I remixed it in 2019, and the original demo only had 2 songs, One Day and Maggie. Suffice to say that we had problems with the 8-track analog recorder, so that the first song, which is called Daisy, you will find out that, yeah, the rhythm it's floating all around. But I really like the song anyway. It's so freaking weird. Might be the weirdest thing you listen to this year. Not that the other 2 songs, the one that appear on the original demo, are normal. They're a bit weird too. Especially Maggie, the one that I sampled to make the title track of this very show. I still really like those songs. They are kinda represent myself at that time, but there was so much ideas I threw in this thing, so much effort. It took years. Just I designed this cover too, and I really wanted to be printed in metallic ink, and it took forever to have it done. And when it was done, it was also still broken. There is some pixel left over from this place. I just realized now, reading the liner notes, that I didn't even have an email address. I put the email address of somebody else, which I guess we never got an email from this thing, because nobody had the internet yet. But just in 1 or 2 years I was gonna be online, and then yeah, my life evolved in many different ways. And yeah, cool. Give it a listen if you want to my really old songs. I think they're kinda good. They're a mix of pop. They're really pop to somebody that listen to them, compared to the usual stuff I listen to. But they have some heavy metal beats here and there. If you're a drummer, you listen to my ride, you might recognize actually the ride I have, because it sounds, especially on Daisy, I was listening to this yesterday, I was like, okay, this is a song that's supposed to be really kind of mellow and jazzy, but the ride, the sounds, it's really Dave Lombardo. And in fact, I had Dave Lombardo from Slayer, the 2002 Paiste Power Bell ride. I still have it home. I was like, I will never solve this. I don't know. If I ever go back to playing, I was like, if my son wanna play, if, I'm not gonna sell this, because this is like, it sounds so good. It's insane. And the power bell, the bell. Sorry, too much drum talk.